In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall InShot Video Editor app from your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, uninstalling an app is pretty simple. Just long press on your InShot Video Editor app and locate App Info page. However, if you can't see App Info, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Just tap on any of these to access InShot Info page. At this point, you can see we have an installation, but still, if you just long press on your app, you can see we have this option for uninstall. You can also uninstall it from here. However, if you don't see these options, then you need to go to Google Play Store and search for your app. If you tap on it, you can see it is installed and we have an option to uninstall. To permanently remove it, just tap on uninstall and this will remove your app together with its files from your smartphone. Now, if I go back to my smartphone and open my apps, you can see our InShot Video Editing app has been removed. So that's how you can permanently delete InShot Video Editing app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.